Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today's video is one you absolutely cannot afford to miss. The IRS has just dropped a bombshell announcement that's going to change the financial landscape for millions of Americans. Yes, you heard that right, a brand new $2,000 stimulus check is on its way, and this isn't just another rumor or piece of fake news circulating online. The IRS has officially confirmed it, and the payments are set to begin rolling out on the 1st of March. If you've been struggling to make ends meet, this could be the lifeline you've been waiting for. But here's the catch. Not everyone will qualify, and there are specific steps you need to take to ensure you don't miss out. So grab a pen and paper because we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this game-changing stimulus check. Let's start with the most exciting part. The $2,000 payment. This isn't just a small boost or a token gesture, it's a substantial sum designed to provide real relief in today's challenging economy. Whether you're dealing with rising rent, mounting medical bills, or the ever-increasing cost of groceries, this money could make a significant difference. But before you start planning how to use it, let's talk about who's eligible and how you can make sure you're on the list to receive it. Who qualifies for the $2,000 stimulus check? The IRS has made it clear that this round of stimulus payments is all about helping those who need it most. If you fall into any of the following categories, you're likely to qualify. Low-income households. If you're a single filer earning less than $40,000 per year, you're in line to receive the full $2,000. For joint filers, the income threshold is higher, up to $75,000 per year, but the payment amount may reduce if your income falls between $60,000 and $75,000. Social Security recipients. Whether you're receiving retirement benefits or disability payments, the IRS has prioritized you for this round of stimulus checks. As long as your income is within the required limits, you're good to go. Essential workers. If you've been working in critical sectors like healthcare, grocery stores, or public transportation during the pandemic, the IRS recognizes the sacrifices you've made. You're a top priority for this payment. Families with children, parents and guardians, this one's for you. If you have dependents under the age of 18, you could receive more than the standard $2,000. The exact amount will depend on the number of children in your household, so this could be a significant boost for families. What makes this stimulus check different? You might be wondering how this round of payments compares to previous ones. The good news is that the IRS has learned from past mistakes and is making this process smoother and more efficient. Here's what's different. No application needed. If you're eligible, the IRS will automatically send you a letter confirming your payment. This means you don't have to jump through hoops or fill out complicated forms. Faster payments. With a start date of the 1st of March, the IRS is moving quickly to get money into the hands of those who need it most. If you've filed your taxes and your bank information is up to date, you could see the money in your account within days. Back payments. If you missed out on previous stimulus checks, this round is expected to cover any missed amounts. That means you could receive a larger payment to make up for what you didn't get before. What you need to do to ensure you get your payment? Now that you know who qualifies, let's talk about what you need to do to make sure you don't miss out. Here are the key steps. Update your information with the IRS. If you've moved or changed your bank account recently, it's crucial to update your details with the IRS. The last thing you want is for your payment to be delayed because they can't reach you. File your taxes. Filing your tax return is one of the primary ways the IRS determines your eligibility. If you haven't filed yet, do it as soon as possible. If you're unsure about your filing requirements, check the IRS website or consult a tax professional. Use the Get My Payment tool. The IRS has set up an online tool called Get My Payment that lets you track the status of your stimulus check. This is especially helpful if there are any issues or delays. If you don't receive your payment by the end of March, you can file a payment trace to resolve the problem. Watch out for scams. Unfortunately, whenever there's news about stimulus checks, scammers come out of the woodwork. Remember, the IRS will never call, text, or email you asking for personal information. If someone contacts you claiming to be from the IRS, it's a scam. How this stimulus check could impact you. On a personal level, this $2,000 payment could be a game changer. For many, it represents a chance to catch up on bills, pay off debt, or even save for the future. Here are just a few ways this money could make a difference. Covering essential expenses. Rent, groceries, utilities. This money could help you stay afloat during tough times. Paying off debt. If you've been struggling with credit card debt, student loans, or medical bills, this payment could give you some much-needed relief. Supporting local businesses. By putting money into the hands of everyday Americans, the government is also stimulating the broader economy. When you spend this money at local businesses, you're helping your community recover. What's next? With the 1st of March just around the corner, it's time to get ready. Check your mail and bank account regularly, update your details if necessary, and make sure your tax filings are in order. If you're eligible, this payment could be a turning point in your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future updates. We'll continue to provide the latest information and guidance to help you navigate these challenging times. Stay safe, stay informed, and remember better days are ahead.